Welcome to Businesso, your ultimate guide to the world of business. We are here to give you the tools and resources you need to succeed in today's fast-paced business environment. From startup to scale-up, we have you covered with expert advice, case studies, and more. From marketing strategies to financial planning, we've got you covered. Join us and be sure to subscribe. We explore the latest trends, share success stories, and provide expert insights. Why you need to consider investing in general liability insurance. General liability insurance is a type of insurance that provides protection for businesses from liabilities arising out of their operations. This includes any third-party claims or lawsuits related to bodily injury, property damage, advertising injury, and personal injury caused by the business products or services. It also covers legal defense costs in case of such claims and lawsuits. The importance of general liability insurance lies in its ability to protect businesses from financial losses due to third-party claims and lawsuits. Without it, companies can be exposed to significant financial risk if they are found liable for damages in such cases. Additionally, many clients require proof of liability insurance before doing business with a company, making it an essential part of running a successful business today. Understanding general liability insurance. Types of liability coverage. General liability insurance provides coverage for a wide range of liabilities, including bodily injury, property damage, advertising injury, and personal injury. These types of claims typically arise from the business operations or products/services offered. Depending on the type of policy purchased, general liability can also provide defense costs if the company is sued. It's important to understand what is included in your policy to ensure you have adequate coverage for potential risks. Understanding costs and exclusions. The cost of a general liability insurance policy will vary depending on several factors such as industry, size, and location of the business. In addition to understanding premiums associated with your policy, it's important to be aware that some losses may not be covered by your general liability insurance due to exclusions in the fine print. Common exclusions include professional services, such as legal advice, intentional acts, and faulty workmanship, for example poor construction. Understanding these limitations will help you determine whether additional coverages need to be purchased separately or added as an endorsement onto your existing policy. Choosing the right coverage. When it comes to choosing the right coverage, there are several factors to consider. First, you need to evaluate different policies and compare their coverage limits. This includes understanding what is covered in each policy and any exclusions or limitations that may apply. Additionally, you should look at the insurer's financial strength ratings as well as any claims history they have with similar businesses. Finally, you should make sure that the policy meets your business needs and provides sufficient coverage for potential risks. It's also important to understand how much coverage is necessary for your particular situation. Factors such as industry type, number of employees, location, and potential liabilities can all affect how much coverage is appropriate for your business. Once you have a better idea of what kind of protection you need, you can start exploring different options available from various insurers or brokers who specialize in commercial insurance products. Finally, don't forget about customer service when selecting an insurance provider. After all, this person or team will be handling any claims if something were to happen down the line. Make sure they offer quick response times and provide clear answers so that any questions or concerns can be addressed promptly and efficiently. Claims process. Making a claim on your general liability insurance policy is relatively straightforward. All you have to do is contact your insurer or broker and submit the relevant information, such as the date and details of the incident, any witness statements, photos or videos if available, medical records for any injured parties, receipts for property damages, etc. In some cases, you may be asked to fill out an application form. Once all documentation has been received by your insurer, they will begin their internal review process, which typically includes verifying that all information provided is accurate and complete. They may also investigate further, depending on the complexity of the case. During this time, it's important to remain patient as insurers need time to properly assess each claim before making a decision regarding coverage and potential payments. During this process, claimants can expect regular updates from their insurer about how their claim is progressing, with most providers aiming to respond within 14 days of receiving initial documentation and providing advice where applicable. If additional documents are required during this period, these should be submitted as soon as possible in order to prevent delays in processing claims further down the line. Once all required information has been gathered, then insurers will usually make a decision regarding payment within 30 to 45 days, depending on individual circumstances, although this can vary significantly between policies, so it's best to check directly with your provider what timeline they work towards when processing claims. Resources available. If you're looking for help with understanding and selecting the right type of general liability insurance, there are a variety of resources available to assist. To start off, it is important to speak with an experienced broker or insurer who can provide guidance on which policy best suits your business needs and explain any potential exclusions in detail. Many companies also offer online guides that provide valuable insight into different types of coverage as well as tips for how to find the right policy. In addition, there are numerous industry associations that specialize in providing educational information about commercial insurance products such as the Professional Liability Underwriting Society, PLUS, and Independent Insurance Agents and Brokers of America, IIABA. These organizations offer seminars and webinars throughout the year that can be beneficial in increasing your knowledge base regarding general liability policies, often at no cost. Finally, if you need more personalized advice, then talking with other business owners who have experience dealing with similar issues can be helpful too. Networking events held by local chambers of commerce or trade groups are great places to start when searching for contacts who may be able to answer questions or point you in the right direction towards additional resources such as legal advisors or professional consultants specializing in risk management. Conclusion. In conclusion, general liability insurance is essential for any business that wants to protect itself from the financial risks associated with third-party claims and lawsuits. It provides coverage for a wide range of liabilities, including bodily injury, property damage, advertising injury, and personal injury. Businesses should evaluate different policies and compare their coverage limits in order to ensure they have adequate protection against potential losses. Additionally, it's important to understand what is included in each policy as well as any exclusions or limitations that may apply, both of which can affect the cost of your premiums. When looking for the best coverage options available, it's recommended that you speak with an experienced broker or insurer who can provide guidance on which policy best suits your business needs. Once you've done this, then make sure to look at the insurer's financial strength ratings as well as their claims history with similar businesses before committing to a policy. Finally, don't forget about customer service when selecting an insurance provider. After all, they will be handling any claims if something were to happen down the line. Make sure they offer quick response times and provide clear answers so that questions or concerns can be addressed promptly and efficiently.